You're welcome once again to another video on how to use the ECG Power App to pay your post-pay bill, or to use this app to also buy your prepaid credits. So today's video is going to be on how you'll be able to print out or how to download your receipt after payment. Now this is for postpaid users. So if you're using a postpaid meter, now after you have made your payment, how are you going to get your receipt is what I'm going to show you today. So if you're first time watching my video, you can check the description. I have a series of videos on how you will be able to use this app. So if you don't have the app is on Play Store. So just go to Play Store and search for ECG Power App. You get this app. Just follow the videos in this channel to get started with this app. So this is where you have to go if you want to get your receipt. So after you open the app, then you see here home, and then we have meter, and then we have transactions. So you just have to come to transactions. You hit on transactions. You see all the payment that you have made on this app so far. Now let's say I want to get my receipt for this month. So as you can see, you click on the payment that you made and you see view receipt, this one. So you click on view receipt. Now this is the receipt of your payment, that is your postpaid bill receipt. So you just see here, you look here and you see download PDF. Okay, download as PDF. So you just hit on download as PDF, and this receipt is just going to be downloaded into your phone. So if you don't have WPS, you just download this app so that you'll be able to view your receipt using the PDF. And at the same time, you can also print this out. So you can just go to any cafe and print it out, or you can just keep this on your phone. So this is how you'll be able to get your receipt after payment using the ECG Power App. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.